excited because we are going to Montepulciano, a city really famous all over the world for its wine. So the first thing that we're going to do today is to go to a
wine tasting!
So let's go! So we just arrived and we just parked the car, and it's about €1 per hour, and we're going to stay for like maybe 5 hours here. Yeah, nothing is free in Italy. Being among the most beautiful places of Tuscany region, Montepulciano has a long history that is connected with the events of the entire Val d'Orcia area and the nearby cities of Florence and Siena, up to the capital of Italy, Rome. The city has its origin in the Etruscan area, and legend says that its founder was the famous leader Porsena. We're actually queuing up for the wine tasting, and fortunately we booked before, as now it's already fully booked.
Come azienda siamo piccoli, facciamo solo 110.000 bottiglie all'anno, quindi in Montepulciano vuol dire
10.000.
110.000, 80% di questa produzione invecchiamo proprio qui perché il posto è perfetto, si sente, 15 gradi tutto l'anno, è costante e anche naturale, quindi non costa nulla, che è un bel pregio. Poi l'umidità è abbastanza alta, si vede le muffe sulle pareti. Beh, per una casa non così elegante, ma per una cantina perfetta, perché non asciuga le botti, rimane in forma, si tiene questa elasticità, quindi non si perde un guscino. Poi, a parte questa parte, di là un buio incredibile, quindi proprio i 3 ingredienti più importanti a fare l'invecchiamento. Non è per caso così, perché viene proprio costruito come cantina da un genio, Baldassare Peruzzi. Era famosissimo nei suoi tempi perché ha costruito questo nel 1500, i tempi quando ha costruito anche il palazzo su per la casa della famiglia Ricci, la cantina, ma anche la Cappella Cisterna a Roma, quindi tanta roba questo ragazzo, è proprio un rockstar nei suoi tempi, è un genio, perché eccoci qua 500 anni dopo e lo facciamo ancora lo stesso, l'invecchiamento del vino, quindi perfetto.
So the story behind this ancient and historic cellar is very interesting. In fact, it's about a meteorologist who, by studying the behavior of hedgehogs, which means ricci in Italian, could predict the weather. Initially considered a heretic by the Vatican, he was later named Riccio de' Ricci, Marquis of Montepulciano. So this wine is my favorite one, and the name is Sor Aldo, and for me it's the best.
Even the price is the best, only €40 per bottle.
So good. Even the salami is really good. So apparently there's a legend from the Roman historian Tito Livio. According to him, centuries ago the Gauls descended in Italy through the Alps. Since they were attracted by the noble wine of Montepulciano, and a Tuscan winemaker named Arut made the Gauls tasted the wine and took revenge on the noble of the city by convincing them to attack the noble who was guilty of having seduced his wife.
So we just ordered some pizzas, and I took the one made of mushroom, truffle, mozzarella, and some sausages. Best pizza in here.
So now we are inside the ancient castle about Montepulciano. We can't visit the room inside because there are many office and wine bar. But we will have a nice panoramic view soon and one archaeological site free to visit. The archaeological site is the wine bar floor. Here too you can do a good wine tasting, but because we already taste a lot of wine, it's better continue to visit. This time, no pistachio for Cindy, but we take Nutella and hazelnut.
Wow. So this is an artisanal ice cream. So when we talk about artisanal, super good. So after an excellent wine tasting in Montepulciano, we are here in Bagni di Vignoni. As you can see, there's natural Roman bath here, thermal bath. So it's really beautiful, and this is a really small village, but it's really nice here.
Bagni di Vignoni is truly unique, as you won't find any pools filled with hot springs water in its main central square. Both the Etruscans and the Romans loved its thermal water springs, not just for keeping them clean, but for their medical properties. In short, an unmissable destination.